Alright, time for night 2 of our 2014 NFL Draft Box Break Week. Tonight I'm going to do the Panini Contenders Hobby Box. We have 5 cards in a pack, 24 packs in a box. At minimum of 5 autographs per box, but you often get more. It's a really fun break, bunch of autographs. I've also got the short print, confirmed short print list that Panini has pulled up so I can see if I get any of those, but the only specific quantities they've released so far are the base rookie autos. They haven't said anything about the rookie premier autos or the variations. But anyway, let's open this up and see what autographs we get. Hopefully something real good. Hopefully. Maybe my luck will continue from last night. And these can be a pain to open, so I may have to use my box cutters to open the packs here. We'll see how this goes here. So, let's see here. Andre Ellington insert. I have a lot of base from this, from the box I've done and stuff. Can't remember if I've done 2 boxes of this or 1 and a bunch of packs. I think 1 and a bunch of packs. Here's another insert. Matt Barkley round numbers. So round 4 draft picks. It's kind of a cool one. There's autographed versions of those also. Oh my goodness. See how ridiculous. So ridiculous. Looks like it might have auto or an insert, one of the two. Nope, just an upside down card for Chad Henne. There are also cracked ice, which are numbered to 21. Golden ticket redemptions. Playoff tickets, which are numbered to 99. Variations, which are just photo variations. There are these touchdown tandem inserts. Matt Schaub, Andre Johnson. All those for the rookies are numbered or autographed, whereas the ones for the players, for the non-rookies, for the vets, are not autographed, but they do have numbered to 99, numbered to 21, and 1 of 1s. The variations you can tell because where the stars are, there will be no stars. If you've watched another touchdown tandems, if you've been watching breaks at all of this, or if you watched any before, like case breaks, common thing that I've seen is for all the autographs to be on one side of the box, maybe 1 or 2 on the other side, but it seems like almost all of them will be exclusively on a single side. Here's our first autograph, right as I say that. So we got Benny Cunningham, first autograph there, and he is not a short print. From what I see, it's not a variation, just regular. Benny Cunningham autograph. So there's the first one. Another cool thing about these is they will do a lot of autographs for players that don't typically get autographs, or players that have done better during the season, that were unexpected, and so then they get autographs in them, and they didn't have any in other products. It's got a lot of history to it. It's been popular for many years. People really like to collect contenders quite a bit. Also had these Super Bowl Kid Reporter cards, which expired by 12/31, and the product actually came out like that week, I think, the week of New Year's Eve. Mike Glennon Rookie of the Year. There are numbered versions of those, as well as I think autograph ones, maybe, not sure. This does have one of my favorite autograph sets in it. They're hard to find. Of the rookie ink, I believe. They have a really cool look to them. They just have a really neat. So see there, only one autograph on that entire side. So that means minimum 4 on the other side of the box. It's been a common thing throughout many of the case breaks I've seen. Here's an MVP insert, Jamal Charles. There's another autograph for Sierra Wood for the Texans. That is not a variation either. AJ Green, Tom Brady. That'd be a killer duo. Legendary Contenders. These are cool insert sets. Hall of Famers. Eric Fisher, playoff ticket, numbered to 99, so you can see there it's numbered. It's got gold on it, says playoff instead of rookie at the bottom, so it's a playoff ticket for Eric Fisher, and that is not a variation either. So 3 non-variations, one of them being a playoff ticket so far. And you can see he's an offensive tackle. So that's not somebody that's commonly going to have a lot of autographs and products. So if somebody really likes that player, knows that player, or wants to just collect a lot of the Chiefs autographs, they'll be looking to get autographs from this product of him. Round 3 round numbers from Marcus Wheaton and Stedman Bailey. Kiko Alonso. Oh no, that's his thumb. Kiko Alonso. This was very popular for him because I think it was one of his first autos. And he blew up defensively for the Bills. Just killed it. that's a nice auto there, Kiko Alonso. And that wasn't a variation either, was it? Nope. They haven't released specifics on the variations short prints yet. Another round numbers insert. Terrence Williams and Keenan Allen, round 3. Pretty sure at this point I probably have a full set of this because multiple times I've gone to the card shop, picked up 4 packs here, 5 packs there, a box here, Le'Veon Bell, Rookie of the Year insert. Alright, how many autos do I have? 4. I have 4 more packs. Come on, give us something good. Touchdown tandems, Reggie Wayne, Andrew Luck. There's another Bills autograph. Playoff ticket numbered to 99. Marquise Goodwin. 90 of 99. And the difference on these is it is a rookie premier autograph because you can see that they actually signed on card versus a sticker. So that's the difference on these. They're a little more in demand that way. On card autographs. It's number 90 of 99 and it is not a variation either. So there's our 5th autograph. 2 Bills ones. Remains to be seen if we get a bonus one. 2 more packs. That's possible. There's a draft class for Zach Ertz insert. I don't think we saw that one yet. Last pack. Adrian Peterson. And we got a bonus. Monte Ball variation autograph. That's a nice last pack surprise. Here's what I was talking about with the variation. No stars versus Goodwin with stars around the logo. Nice. That's an on-card also. It's an on-card variation Monte Ball. Rookie Premier Auto. And Jarrell Pryor at the end. Alright, so that's it. I'll show you our autos again real quick. So we had 1 variation, which is Monte Ball. Got a little bit of chipping. Not too bad, just a little bit. It's a variation. We got 2 playoff tickets. Eric Fisher and Marquise Goodwin out of 99. And then we got Kiko Alonso, Sierra Wood, and Benny Cunningham for our other 3 autographs. So, pretty good break. Not too bad. I like it. So that's tonight's break. Tomorrow we will have Crown Royale, 2 boxes of that. I hope we get a nice silhouette. And then Thursday during the draft we'll be doing 2014 Upper Deck. Hopefully we get some good draft picks. Thanks again for watching. I hope you watch the rest of my breaks and enjoy. Leave me some comments. Subscribe if you want to see other ones. Let me know what you think of the breaks. Thanks for watching.